aba NRM nubo bataahirire aba FDC hamwanya gwo bahire nibaronderamo karuuru kandi president wa FDC Patrick Omuri abira ari umwanya wo kurondera candidate w'aba karuuru hamwe n'abandi bakugu ba FDC babire bacerebize okuteganisa bwo kutakabireho. Ahanyuma y'edakika 10 konvoyi ya NRM yebembirwe kwasira bendera kwizera enganzi y'ihanga Robina Nabanja n'aba minisita barimo Chris bari umunsi Henry Musasize Sara Mateke n'abandi bakorukorwa mu NRM bareberwe n'abatahamu. Abahagizi ba FDC y'ahantu ho baremireho bakahakanisa kutahirwa kurwa mu NRM kandi akashashamara kakamazira kire.
Exactly what happened is actually, you see, if you want to know your strength, you have to look at the weakness of your enemy, the fear of your enemy. My strength has been witnessed by causing Nabanja to come here with a helicopter and again chasing him without any resistance.
Orukwebembera FDC Patrick Omuri nagira ngo bikozerwe n'ibyoreka ngo akaruraka nakabaso butabaka mazima.
We are supposed to be in this area today according to the Electoral Commission program that all candidates agreed on. It is therefore really very stupid for ministers of government led by the Prime Minister of Uganda to come and disrupt the activities of our candidate. This impunity will not be allowed.
Omuri nabireka ngo kutinisiriza abatezi bakaruuru kwareberwa muri rubuguru nko kukitwire kirukorwa mu myanya ndijo.
Certainly in Soroti, this is exactly what happened. We have seen the use of public resources by party officials of the NRM. The Prime Minister notably is flying a helicopter into all the by-elections. She arrived in yesterday. She's moving around with government resources, aiding the flag bearer of the NRM.
Kwizera kwabuziwe habwencha tahirire rare webeyi yayereka ngo abire nagumiza marukuza kirundo kandi tayikirizibwe kwatwa ha kamera. Intebe ya Bukimbiri mu ishengere kasigara mu busha bwa nyuma ya kote jurugwamo ukushazamo ubusinguzi bwa Edu Kwizera wa gahungu wa NRM. Owebeyi James wa FDC niwe yabira hababira umushango gukanda karuraka nikija kugarukwa mu 2011 by'ukwezi kwa munana omwaka ogu gasha kwa Job namanya na keta tuzarirwe.